Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. In this video we're going to work on kitchen cabinets. I'm going to install some handles, and I also will go step by step how you can install handle quick, and all handles gonna be look like exactly at the same spot, like not gonna be up and down. So as you can see, I have no handles, but I have installed on some cabinets to just look how they look. I believe, according to my eyes, I can see there's big difference. After we have a paint already done, maybe that's the best part to save our cabinets, because when we in the kitchen we cook around and we open the drawers and the doors, and they get dirty, they get some grease stuff on it. So handles gonna be protected. I'm using like a stainless steel handles. You can clean them easy. So first you have to choose what kind of handle you want to install. So I'm choosing those one. If you go local store, you're gonna buy for $4 or $5 per piece, and I bought it online. So online is like $1.50 per piece. I have to install a lot, so I just go online. So I wait for a couple days. They are just arrived, and I'm just want to make a video so everybody can see how to install handles. You don't need any other like a good skill, just simple tools. Before we start our project, let's talk about the tools we need to do the job. We need a drill. We need a drill bit for cabinets to make a hole. We need a bird drill bit. I'm using a 832 screw. I'm using according to my screws. I'm using countersink bit. I'm using two screwdrivers, a flathead, and a Philip. Impact with the Philip head is optional. You can use with the handle. You need a tape measure. So let's talk about the trick you need to use. Actually, what I did, I found the piece of wood is the same wide as my cabinets. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this wood piece as a mark, or to make a mark like a frame. So each time I don't need to be measure or any like thing make a idea. So as you can see, this wood piece is equal from the both sides, is same thickness of my cabinet frame. So but first I figured out where I need it. So I took tape measure to my cabinets. I figured out I need about like 3 to 4 inch up from the cabinets. We are starting with the upper cabinets. I made a mark at the 4 inch. Then I put my handle and I made a mark where my handle need to be. After I marked, I also measured the wide, how wide that piece, and I want to make a hole in the middle. So I'm just finding the middle spot. So after I marked, then I drill hole as my handle gonna be installed. Also, we can use this wood piece as a temporary like test piece, so you don't want to be messed up your cabinet. And I will test my handle, putting screw on, see if both are like they're lining each other. After I done, I made sure those holes are working perfect for me. I move this wood piece on my cabinet. So before I mark, I put this piece on my cabinet frame, and either way I'm using two clamps over here, or you can just mark it then make a hole. So I'm using two clamp hold this wood, and I will use my drill and drill bit, go through those holes and kind of mark. And I will remove the clamps and will check if it made marks. So I will go do the same process with all cabinets. Well, I'm talking about the only upper cabinets. Once I'm done, I will go back and make a hole all the way through the cabinet. After making all the holes, I'm using countersink bit so my screws can flush mount from inside. So I don't want to see any head of screw sticking out. So I'm using same process to all cabinets before I install the handles. Ready to install some handles on the cabinets. I have a lot of handles, so at this place my daughter Mandy helped me. Hi Mandy.
Hi.
What are you doing, Mandy?
So I'm going to help Dad to open these, and it comes all of these screws. It looks like these.
Look at how many, Mandy.
Yeah.
A lot.
I should do a lot, and
The total was, Mandy? 50. Okay, don't mess those one, okay?
there it is.
Before you throw in trash, you gotta go through one more time. You're not missing any screw, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for helping, Mandy.
You're welcome.
Now I'm installing handles. All the holes should be lined. I'm just putting screw from the back and the handle in front. They should be nice and flush really tight so your handle don't come loose. So I'm using same process to all. Now we're done with the upper cabinets. We install handle on the upper cabinets using the bird mark. Now we are going to move on the under counter cabinets. As we're going to install under counter cabinets, those handles need to be up, not in the middle, not at the lower like that. We gotta do in the upper. We're gonna use same mark, same bird piece, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna just flip over, like basically. Now the hole's gonna be from the top just only 4-inch deep. I'm using same bird piece. I'm following the same process, putting that bird piece on the cabinet, making mark, and after I marked all, I will make it, all the holes go through, and I will use a countersink bit again, and it will speed up my process. Now I'm done with my kitchen cabinets. I installed all the handles, and the finish has came up really amazing. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.